Okay, now let's take a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1 and I'm going to ask you some questions. Do you recycle?
Yes, of course, sir. It's a main part of our life and it's improve the environment as well. And it should be necessary to recycle everything. We should make those products which can be recycled. It
Which
will
can be recycled?
recycle. It's it can save our cost as well and save the production time as well.
Okay, so I think it is important to recycle and I also take
Also,
part in recycling.
recycling.
That's what the question is. At the end, you must link your ideas to the main question. Did you recycle when you were a child?
Yes, yes, of course. At that time, I was not as aware that how all the things should be recycled. But as those which I know about myself at the childhood as a game playing systems, I used to recycle those particular things such as a matchbox we used to play as card. That's why I use
I used to recycle
recycling
things
at
when I
this
was small, when I
small
was little, when I
little
was a child, like
child.
that. Okay. Will you recycle in the future?
Yes, of course, as I concern from my engineering side of view, so I believe to save the resources as well. So I believe that we can construct a product, produce such a products which we can recycle mostly. That's why I believe
Okay.
in that side.
What kind of things do you recycle?
Yes, sir. Recently, I have done a mini project on syringes for an hydraulic power systems. So that's why that's the most recently thing which I have been
Most
recycling.
recent thing
Recent thing which I have been recycled is the syringe,
which
and
I have
which
recycled.
I have recycled is syringe, the injected injection syringe.
Okay. All right. Overall, good. Few and far between. There are grammatical mistakes which you need to overcome, but you understand the question well, and the topic was unusual, but still you answered well.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's a good thing, right? All right. Let's go on. I'm going to ask you some questions about picnic. Did you go on a picnic?
Sports.
All right. Uh, okay. Are you interested in sports?
Yes, I am interested in sports. I like playing cricket with my brother in the ground. So, to answer your question, I am interested in sports.
Okay, this is a very short answer, only 2 sentences. Minimum 4 to 5 compound sentences for each answer. Okay, let's go on. What sports do you like?
I like playing cricket. I usually played with my
I
friends.
usually play, present.
Play with my friends. It's a great fun to playing with my
It's a
friends.
great fun, or it's fun to play.
It's fun to play with my friends in the ground. So, cricket is the sport that I like the most.
Okay. Do most people in your country like sports?
Yes, people of my country likes a different kind of sports,
Like, not likes, like.
different kind of sports, but cricket is the one that people like the most. So people also like to watching hockey,
People
and
like to watch.
people like to watch hockey and football, but cricket has its own craze. So
Okay.
people of my
Country
country,
love to watch cricket or love to play cricket.
yes.
Okay. What sports do people in your country like to play? It's the same question.
Yes,
What benefits do you think sports can bring?
sports bring us
Sports can bring us.
sports can bring us different benefits. For example, playing a competitive sport gives us the benefit of competition, and a team sport gives us the uh, benefit of
Yeah, instead of using benefits, you can use other words. Like first you say benefits, then you say advantage, then you say another good thing about it, right? So
yes.
use a variety of words and try to answer in minimum 4 to 5 compound sentences. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you very much. That's the end.